Today's pattern is the Sunday romper. Now, I was very much against rompers in the past, and when this pattern was released in 2020, I made the dress version because if you're not into rompers, this can also be a dress. So that is a nice option for you. Over time, I did end up making a romper, but my first two versions were dresses for neat fabrics. There's a separate bodice, and then you have the bottom, which is either shorts, long pants, or a skirt. Elastic casing, super comfortable, V neckline front and back. Now the V neckline at the back is slightly lower, which gives you the space to shimmy yourself in through there. That is how you get in. Remember, it's a neckband, it's stretchy, you saw it with a stretch stitch, so I have never had problems getting in and out of my romper. If it's a dress, then you just put it on like any other dress. And you can make it either sleeveless or there's a separate bodice that has a bit of a dolman type sleeve. And I did end up making a romper where I made a hack, where I did a little bit of a slash and spread on the shorts to make them wider. So you're gonna see mine on. Mine is made out of ITY. From far away, it looks just like a dress. It's a little bit different to the original. You can see that the shorts are a lot wider. The original pattern has a slimmer leg. I just did a slash and spread to the front and the back leg just to make them wider at the bottom, but still keep the same width at the top to fit the bodice. I wanted it to look more like a dress than shorts, and my inseam here is 9.5 inches. I chose that so it could be at the knee. Casing is super comfortable, it's super easy to do, it's adjustable, it gives you great waist shaping, and I love that feature there. You can see all the ease involved here, but with the ITY, it flows so beautifully that you would never know you have all this ease here. I think it looks really great. I chose a sleeveless option for the bodice. There's a V neckline on the front and the back. At the back, it's a little bit lower and you get quite a nice wide opening because this is how you get into your romper. This is an amazing floaty jumpsuit. It's the type of jumpsuit I had always wanted, and that's why I did the hack to the short to make it look more like a skirt. It's super wearable, and of course I could dress it up as well if I wanted. You know, it looks like a dress, so I've pulled out a crop blazer. The jumpsuit has a type of fit and flare silhouette, and I put a belt there just to make it look dressier. Beautiful heels, beautiful bag. I have worn this exact same outfit to church. I really love this one. I really like this version. This is the only knit romper that I have that I like. I have tried others in the past and I just was not vibing with the styles, but this is the style that I like. It looks like a dress or not, and I could dress it down and I could dress it up. I think it's a really fun pattern. And if rompers aren't your thing, then consider the dress, which is also super cute, and you have a standard and a full bust option. I'll leave you all the information you need from me in the description box, the comment section, my affiliate link, and the previous videos I've made about this pattern where you can see how to whip it up. Bye.